Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have got some Charlie's goodies to show you. I'm going to start off by showing you my PR items first. So a lot of my PR items are new products out, which are now available on Charlie's website. I think she put them on the site last weekend. So they're all available, guys. As always, you'll see in the top left hand corner of the screen that I've added the website for Charlie's nail art, and underneath that is my discount code, so don't forget to use that to save yourself 10% off your whole order. I'm going to also link the website in my description box below, as I always do, so all you've got to do is click on that and it will take you straight through to the website. So let's crack on and I'll show you what I got. So to start with, I got this sea foam sparkle. Now look at this. That is gorgeous. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So it's like blue holographic, but it's also got silver holographic hexes as well. It is gorgeous. Love that. I don't know whether you guys see, but Charlie did a competition on Facebook and Instagram, and you could enter as many times as you wanted, and you had to name this particular glitter. So congratulations to the winner of that. I don't actually know who won that, but congratulations. So I've got that. And also, guys, this is a sample pack. So if you was to buy this, you would get 4 grams. Then we've got some Flamingo Paradise sequins. Love these. Actually, these are a lot smaller than what I thought they was going to be. Look at the size of them. Brilliant size. I thought he was going to be so much bigger. Look at the flamingo as well. Really great size they are for nail art. So you've got flamingos, cactuses and palm trees. And look at the hollow on them. They are beautiful. I just want to say as well, guys, a lot of people think to be involved in the Charlie's Nail Art collabs, you have to be a brand ambassador. That is not true at all. Anyone can join in these collabs, anybody. As long as if you use at least one Charlie's Nail Art product, and then when you post your picture, hashtag CNA collab, you'll be included in the collab and the collage and everything. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there because a lot of people do think that you've got to be a brand ambassador to take part, but no, you haven't. How cute are they? Then I've got some of these summertime charms. These are so cute. Look at the size of these as well. Love them. And they're curved as well, which I love. So you got little palm trees, little shells, little pineapples. Oh, little starfish. Can you see that? They are so cute. Hoping you can see that. Little starfish just there. Oh, I ignore my nails, guys, as well. My nails are trashed. I really need to get them done this week. Desperately. Desperately. Next, I ordered these AB hearts. Look at the shine on these, guys. Oh, they are gorgeous. Look at them. Eee, they are beautiful. Can't wait to put them on my nails. And then I got some of these new silver anchors. Thought these were really cool. I've been thinking about doing like a sailor set for a while now and just not got around to doing it, so I'm definitely going to do that now and use these. I think that would look really cool. Then I've got some of this Jungle Bloom. Take this out so you can have a good old look at it. And again, guys, this is a sample, so if you was to order this, you would get 50 centimeters. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Love that. Absolutely love it. Look at the butterfly. Just love how bright and bold that is. Oh, look at that butterfly as well. Yeah, I can't wait to use that. And then lastly for my PR, I ordered this monochrome flowers foil. Look how cute that is. Love that. And do you know what I also like about, I love these clear back foils, so you can just pick and choose whatever you want. But also with these, you haven't got to have that in black and white. If you want to change this up a bit and have these flowers different colours, for instance, you can colour them in with paint. You could use alcohol inks and do like an alcohol ink design over them. There's so many different things you can do with these, so you haven't got to have it in black and white. It's nice that you've got it in black and white, but it's nice also that you can change it up a bit. That's what I like. Love that. Now on to the items that I've ordered. See, I didn't order that much this month, guys. I'm hoping next month is going to be a much bigger order. So to start with, I've ordered some of this silver fine metallic glitter, and that's 5 grams. See, I've got loads of silver fine glitter, but it's all holographic. I haven't got none that is just plain metallic. How pretty is that? So I had to grab that. Then I ordered some of these 2mm white crystals. So pretty. Oh, I forgot I ordered these. Look at these, guys. How cute are these? I love them. They're absolutely diddy as well. They look a lot bigger on the website than what they are. They're tiny. Love them. Love, love, love them. Look at all the detail on the wings. So cool. And these are super, super cheap at the minute, guys. They're like 40 something pence. Really cheap. And there's a few different colours as well. I've got this one and I ordered this purple one as well. Look how cute that is. Gorgeous purple. I mean, 40 something pence. You cannot go wrong, can you really? Then I ordered some of this leopard print foil. I've got the silver leopard print foil from Charlie's Nail Art and I use it a lot. But sometimes you just want the plain leopard print and I've not got any, so I thought I'd grab that. Really pretty. And then lastly, I had to order this. The minute I saw it, I had to order it. How cool is this for summer, guys? Look at all those. I can see me doing some really cool summer designs with these. Look at them. And I just love that you got the square and the circle. A lot of these wheels that I've looked at, they only do the circle. But I like that you've got the choice of the two. Really cool. Look how bright they are as well. Love them. Love them. That's everything, guys. Like I say, next month I'm hoping to have a much bigger order to share with you all. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, I shall leave the link to Charlie's website in my description box below and in my comments, so you can just click on that and whiz straight over to the website. Also, don't forget to use my discount code BGG10. That way you'll save yourself 10% off your whole order. Charlie's got a few offers going on at the minute as well, guys, so head over there and check out what the offers are on the homepage. There's some really good offers on at the minute. So yeah, that's everything for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.